Welcome to our next video. Actuators. Bringing robots to life. The role of actuators. Actuator is a critical component in robotics, responsible for moving and controlling a mechanism or system. An actuator in robotics is a device that converts energy into mechanical motion. Provides the necessary movement and force to perform tasks ranging from simple to highly complex. Types of actuators. Electric actuators. Commonly found in industrial robots due to their precision and excellent control capabilities. Pneumatic actuators. Frequently utilized for their simplicity and robust power in specific robotic applications. Hydraulic actuators. Preferable for heavy-duty tasks in robotics owing to their high force output and reliability. Piezoelectric actuators. Applied for ultra-precise movements requiring exceptional accuracy in robotic systems. Key functions of actuators. Motion control. Responsible for the movement of robot parts, includes linear motion and rotational motion. Gripping and manipulation. Enable the robot to grasp, lift, and manipulate objects with precision and strength. Locomotion. Allows the mobile robot to navigate through various environments. Environmental interaction. Allow robots to interact with their surroundings, performing tasks such as welding, painting, assembly, or surgery. Advancements in actuator technology. Soft actuators. Utilizing sensors and feedback mechanisms to achieve precise control and optimize actuator performance in robotic systems. Smart materials. Incorporating advanced materials like shape memory alloys to enhance actuator functionality and responsiveness. Miniaturization. Advancing actuator technology to achieve smaller form factors while increasing efficiency, enabling compact and powerful robotic designs. Thanks for watching. This video was brought to you by Saras Robotics and Activity Center. Visit us at sarasrobotics.com. Like, share, and subscribe.